Asquera saying in Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. That's what Zimbabwe takigirai. Nyari kupisa, nyari kunetsa, nyari Meri Mbaiwa we are kunzi. She's trying to protect herself and her family. Hanzi parazvina kumira mushe. Hanzi, she's trying by all means kuti awanikwe wandisa mazita yevanhu vari behind the incident yekuda kuuraiwa kwa Vice President Chiwenga mugore 2018. So pane nyaya yabuda zviri kunzi South African doctor Mawili Leo Selin vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti Mary akabuditsa pachena kuti vamunangagwa vaida kuuraya VP wavo mugore 2018 muri Zimbabwe. Hanzi Chiwenga arikutaura iye achiti Mary ngaarivhile vanhu vakamutuma kuda kuuraya vaChiwenga. And from then she's going to be set free. Nyaya yakabuditswa namajara Jairosi achitaura iye achiti she is trying to protect herself and her family, but look at her state. To conceal evidence, her handlers want her dead. Why can't she tell the court what she has already told South African doctor Willie Leo Selin, who is topping her? Chiwenga says, review your handler and I will withdraw. So Majara Jairo Saka posting here along with Nyaya Kabuditswa Newsday Stara Evo. Actually, doctor drops bombshell in Chiwenga trial from Rungona. Yo, an article up on Hanzi, a South African medical doctor on Friday claimed that Vice President Chiwenga's former wife Mary Mbaiwa told him that President Emmerson Mnangagwa tried to kill his deputy in 2017. Tisingazive kuti nyaya yacho kwaderekana kuti yakabuditswa neThe Newsday iyi vachitaura ivo vachiti president tried to kill Vice President Chiwenga muri Zimbabwe. Susan Mtami akabudawo achitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi achiti if Mary Mbaiwa starts talking, even fake Mbinga dzepano paTwitter anamudiwa would who suffer the same fate. That's why you see him gallivanting all over the place on social media looking for protection in Uber Angel, who is a toddler in politics. Singazive kuti muleona sei nyaya iyi zvakare. Susan Mutami akabuda achitaura iye achiti dai Mary Mbaiwa akabudirira pakuuraya murume wake Hanzi taura kuno dai ari on a lifetime payroll. Hanzi Mary akanga akapromiswa pension ya Chiwenga. Hanzi nofunga that's why akawanikwa achimhanya kuda kunofoja marriage certificate before Chiwenga afa. Hanzi aizofanira zvakare kutora even maassets ese VP Chiwenga. Ndo Susan akabuda achitaura iye on X endo achiti John 11:1-46 God raised Lazarus from the dead. She wanted to join the squad of those that are sent to kill their husbands by some unruly elements. If she had succeeded, she would have been on a lifetime payroll, just like Elizabeth Changirai and many others. Some of us know what transpired behind the scenes, and I hope this serves as a warning to all greedy women out there who accept these shady deals behind the scenes. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe. Funga takaona zvakare Mary Mbaiwa akaenda kucourt last week achifambira nyaya dzake. Ndo the latest picture ya Mary Mbaiwa, the current state ya Mary Mbaiwa. Vanhu vazhinji vakanzwa tsitsi vachiti aiwa Vice President anofanira kungonzwa tsitsi vari vachisunungura Mary Mbaiwa, asi vamwewo ndo vari kutaura vachiti aiwa Mary anodeserve treatment yaari kupiwa naVice President Chiwenga zvichinzi aitoda kuuraya mukadzi uyu. Tingaziva kuti nyaya chokwadi kana kuti. Now back to the article yakabudiswa Newsday yakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti doctor drops bombshell in Chiwenga trial. A South African medical doctor on Friday claimed that Vice President Chiwenga's former wife Mary Mbaiwa told him that President Emmerson Mnangagwa tried to kill his deputy in 2018. Willie Leo Selin made the claims while testifying at the Harare Magistrate Court on Friday in a case where the former model faces a charge of attempting to murder Chiwenga, her ex-husband. Selin said Mbaiwa continued pestering him to inject Chiwenga with a dangerous drug known as pethidine to sedate him. On June 29, 2019, I was accosted by the suspect Mbaiwa, who was unhappy that I had allowed his agent to place an intercostal drain without a consent, Celine told the court. She scolded me and shouted at me. Nurses reported to me that the suspect was interfering with and hindering with administration of drugs to the complainant. The suspect insisted that I had to start giving the complainant pethidine. However, it is a highly addictive narcotic and analgesic, which I refused to do. Celine added, there were continuous calls, messages, and persistent demands by the suspect for the discharge of the complainant. The suspect started from the beginning and consistently told me that His Excellency, the President of Zimbabwe, wanted to kill the complainant Chiwenga, starting with a grenade attack. Chiwenga escaped unhurt after an explosion hit a tent at the end of a rally at White City Stadium that was addressed by Mnangagwa on the eve of July 2018. Dozens of people, including then Vice President Kembo Moadi and Defense Minister and ZANU-PF Chairperson Opamu Chinguri, security aides, politicians, and supporters, suffered varying degrees of injuries from the blast. These security aides succumbed to the injuries. Mnangagwa, who had just left the podium after addressing ZANU-PF supporters when an explosion went off, blowing off the staircase and leaving some people with broken limbs escaped unhurt. According to Celine, sometime in December 2018, he was called by John Mangwiro, Health Department Minister, to attend to Chiwenga at Fire Eyes Hotel in Pretoria. I discussed extensively with the complainant with the suspect's presence, the medical doctor said. Just before they left, the suspect gave me 1,900. I don't know what the money was for. I just thought it was a gift from the suspect as I had gone out of my way to assist. On the second trip, on June 23, 2019, Mangwiro called me saying the complainant was extremely ill and needed admission into at least the high care unit at Medcare Pretoria Hospital. I made arrangements for the complainant's admission. Celine said he waited until 9:40 p.m. on the day, but Chiwenga was not brought to the hospital, forcing him to go to Sheraton Hotel, where he was booked to investigate. At the hotel, Mubaiwa allegedly introduced him to one Dr. Bruce Peck. I told everyone that the complainant would be dead if he was not admitted at the hospital, he told the court. 7 days before the complainant was discharged, I was in the complainant's room and I was extremely puzzled because he was extremely sedated as he had been since he was discharged from the intensive care unit. I requested a urine specimen. Celine said there was nothing wrong with the urine specimen. However, a member of Chiwenga's security team disclosed to him that the retired general was being administered with pethidine, he said. Celine said he arranged that the specimen be extracted through a septoscopy, and it was confirmed that Chiwenga was administered with pethidine, but could not identify the person who administered it. He said Mnangagwa requested a report on what was happening. Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Mishek Sibanda also visited South Africa to check on Chiwenga's health. The doctor said he suspected that a member of Chiwenga's security team may have administered dangerous drugs on Chiwenga. I was extremely distressed because I knew that I would not be able to do anything further for the complainant and that he would need further therapy, he said. Another magistrate, according to prosecutors, Mbaiwa intended to finish off Chiwenga when he lay fighting for his life in Pretoria Hospital. It is alleged that Mbaiwa forced Chiwenga's security details to leave his hospital room so she could find space to remove life support devices which were connected to Vice President Chiwenga. Chiwenga was later flown to China, where he went through successful treatment. Ndomaburizirwa akaitwa nyaya iyi neti Newsday mune Zimbabwe tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudzei zvamunofunga mu comment section.